Hello people, welcome back to this channel. So in this video we have a laptop to repair. It is HP ProBook 4450. This seems like this old laptop. So the problem with this laptop is it is not turning on, even it is not charging. So plugging the charger, as you can see, we have a flashing light on the charging port, but laptop is not turning on. I have checked every coil, I've checked every part of the laptop, but I have seen that there's some more MOSFET, there is a MOSFET, the input MOSFET, which is not switching on. So for that issue, we need to replace that MOSFET. So we need to open the laptop and take out the motherboard and check each and every part of the motherboard by identifying what is causing the laptop not charging and not even turning on. So as you can see, the motherboard is out. This is the fan is out, and we need to check. This is a chipset, and this is a GPU, that is a RAM slot. And so we need to check every side and every part of the motherboard and see if you can find what is causing the motherboard not charging and even not turning on. So I grabbed the charging port. We need to check by using our charger. The charging port is plugged. As you can see, the charging port is plugged. Need to grab the charger. As you can, this is a HP big pin. Need to set our multimeter to voltage mode and check if our charger is good. So as you can see, we have 19.5 volt. You see, 19.5 volt. Our charger is fine. Plug in the charger. You see, we have a flashing light. Plug in the charger, we have a flashing light, but nothing happened. So we need to use our multimeter to check input voltage and see if we have our main power 19.5 and if you have 3.3 volt and if you have 5.1 volt. So we start from the input circuit step by step. Let me see if you have our main power layer. As you can see, we have 0.08. I don't know if you are seeing here, we have 0.07 volt, which is long. We're supposed to have 19.5 volt, which is our main power rail. And when you measure here, we have 0.01 voltage drop, means we have a problem with our main power rail. Our input circuit maybe it have a problem. We need to start from the first MOSFET, second MOSFET, the current sensor, and see if you have our input circuit is good. Plugging the charger, measure the first MOSFET. As you can see, first MOSFET 3.1 volt, 2.7, 2.5 voltage drop. As you can see, we have a wrong with our input circuit. We have 0.1 voltage drop. And here we have 0.6, 0.8. Our first MOSFET on the gate, we have 0.3, 0.1.